Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make a text formatting. So text formatting, I want to show you step by step. You are going to make a beautiful text formatting. So in this text, I already given the H1 tags, and then before that, I give here in paragraph in the body everything, because if you want to build your websites, guys, 90% it will be on body. Okay, here using the body tags. So how we are going to make a text formatting? So I created div, and then here opening tag and then closing tag, and the inside I put it I make h1 text formatting, because I wanted to make a border, and then I want to make a box, everything inside the box, and even also this text formatting, it will be inside the text like a box, like this one, square, but it's a box. Okay, so how we can do it? So because of that I make this one, because when css file we are going to make it, you can see it. Okay, we are going to use css, and then you are going to see everything step by step. And then here paragraph, guys, paragraph I put this text. Okay, so let's go to css file and then go to design our websites. Yeah, this, guys, background, only background colors, do not do it anything. So you also do it exactly like this, guys. Okay, okay, so let's say div bracket. So inside bracket we give border, right? I told you make border, right? So border 1 pixel, guys, only 1 pixel, we don't need more. Okay, 2 pixel if you want. So salt with a gray color. Okay, this is and then we want to keep padding. Okay guys, padding is very important, because padding, guys, padding, you want to say 5 or 8 pixel. Yes, now this is the div. So we already give a square like a border, we already giving border in gray color, and then we giving padding. And then let's go to create a h1, so text formatting, right? So let's go to give h1. Okay, h1 we say text align center, guys, align center. So text formatting, it will be on the center. Okay, and then we want to give transform. Okay, we want to make big, our text will be on capital letters. How we can do it, that one? So we already see here small, and then there is a capital. You see at first letter capital, and then the rest of them small, right? We want to be everything in capital. How we can do it, that one? So let's do it. It's so simple. Text, guys, text. Okay, you say format, right? Text. Okay, lowercase. So if, guys, you make lowercase, it will be on lowercase, everything be small, but we say it on, because we want on the first letter or first tag will be on uppercase, right? So let's say uppercase, so that be on uppercase. And then we wanted to give now our text color, right? Color blue, color uh, blue. I always love, guys, blue color, so that I using color blue. Okay, and then, guys, now we are going to design our paragraph, right? So how we can do it? Paragraph, p paragraph, and then text also paragraph. We say indent text in that 50 pixel. So guys, this is the your text be in the meaning in the way or you want. So this is the meaning like a font on size. Okay, so it's kind of that, and then it will be, you know, like your text will be, you know, looks a little bit nice. So you will see in the final result. And then guys, we want to give text align justify. So we want to give align justify, guys. Text align, we say okay, get okay, align justify, right? So yes, we want to give text align justify, yes. And then we have another one. We wanted to give, guys, the text, or our text will be in the letter there's a space. There is a space. If you don't want to give space, it depends on for you, but I want to give space. Okay, let's give text dash uh, space. Yes. No, we don't use, guys, letter space. We wanted to give, I think it's 1 pixel. I want to use 1 pixel, or guys, 2 pixel also, it's fine. So guys, let's save and let's go to check everything's okay. Yeah, I think it's like this enough. We don't want it to give more then, but if you want it, so you can. If also you want to give padding, if you want to give padding 5 pixel, and if you want to margin, guys, if you want to give margin 0 pixel. So depends the way you want your website will be. So that's I giving this extra padding or margin and so on. Okay, so you can do it whatever, because the CSS there's a million ways to use it. So guys, this one, and then the result I want to show you in upcoming videos, guys. I want to show you. So in this way you are guys, you are going to make a beautiful websites. So this one, and then guys, don't forget and just go to here, the right click, and then yes, so right click, and then you will get your text on the browsers. So I want to show you in the browser in upcoming course. Bye for now.